Hello friends, Ramajan K, a full stack developer. In this video, we are going to see how to create a React JS project using that command line. There are three ways is available. One, using command, you can install it. Command, there are two command I seen, right? And using that React official command or Vite. Using that Vite, we can able to install a React project. And the third one is that there are official GitHub repository is available for that React JS. So using that also we can get that code and we can set up in our way. But in our case, we are using the command line how to create. That we are going to see. That GitHub we will see in next upcoming videos. Okay. So this is our my React folder. So now I'm opening that PowerShell. So you do not think about I'm using a PowerShell. You can use any other CMD or any other terminals also. It is fine only. Okay, for Windows PowerShell is a easy one. There are some other feature options is available. So now what can I do? I copy that folder path and I'm opening full screen. So I think the font is very less, right? For you, I think you're not able to see that. What is that text? So I'm increasing the font size. So I'm increasing to 28. I think that is fine. I think now it is visible to you, right? Okay. Now I'm opening and paste this one. Now I move to that React JS folder. First we are using that React command how create a so for that npx space create hyphen React app. So I'm testing video like that I provide. Now I'm going to click enter on it. But it will take some few minutes, like 1 minute to based on your internet connection. It will be take 1 minute to 2 minutes. Sometimes it will take 3 minutes. But means it is React will what are all the packages is needed, and all the packages will be installed. Okay, so it will take some time. We need to wait. Okay. Now you can see one error is coming, right? So cannot create a project named testing video because of npm name restriction. Name no longer contain upper letters. Choose different project names. So what does that means? Yeah, we are providing that in uppercase, right? So that is not a correct way. So now we are changing to lowercase. Okay. Now you can click enter it. Now it is loading. Now project has been created, folder has been created. Now all that libraries and all installing now. Okay, now totally you can see 1324 packages in 3 minutes. I already told, right? Based on your internet, it will be take a 2 or 3 minutes. Sometimes it will take a 5 minutes also. So the reason why, so for that in React JS, what are all the library for that React JS? All library packages will be installed, but some other package we will not use that one. That is we will not use in our project, but it is installing. That is also take a files folder size will be increased. Okay, so using this command, we facing this drawback and all. Okay, okay. Now installing. Now that initialize the Git repository, installing a template dependency using that npm. Okay, now it is installing. You can wait. Now it is installed. Almost is completed. that taking time is irritating. So that irritating one. So any other solution is provided, then it is fine. Okay. Now the project has been successfully created. Okay. Are you saying happy hacking? This word. Okay, fine. Let me see, that project has been created. So we face that issue, right? That GitHub issue, that this is and all not this will not make a problem. So you can able to run our project. So any like packages we are installed in our PC, right, that will be reflecting in another package. So that cases like this error will come. So do not worry about that. If this error is coming also, you can able to run a React.js project. Okay. Okay, now we created that one. So now we can cdn and start that. Now we are starting our server. That npm start, it used to start our React server. So it is also take us some time to preparing a server. So the reason why there are a lot of 1324 packages, right? That all packages need to load. Then only it will provide that server link. So that it is taking a long time. Okay, now this error is coming. Now this error is coming, but server has been started, but it taking more time. Now server has been started. I am showing that this is our server. Okay, so this is our server. It is started. So now we are another way I told, right? So another way we can try it. So it is Control C. I given. We press Control C. Okay, now it is working. I think my system has been slow. Okay. Now another way I told, right? npm create Vite latest version. Okay. So I'm selected as a React. Now I'm clicking enter. So it is showing that next major version npm, it is showing on this error. So that is not a problem. Now a project has been created. We can select that React.js and this Vite folder. Now see that uh, when I told you, when I install that, it is taking me a 3 minutes when I use this command. But when I use that Vite, it is taking me a less than second, right? So we can now we can start a server. We can see. For that npm install will take us some. For that command I will explain. Npm create Vite at latest version. Template IGN not needed is showing error in major version. So this React I am given, right? That is our project name. Okay. So like this you can provide it. Within within a second a project has been created. Now I am starting that server. So if the server has been started, it will take some time more, means we are installing that npm package, right? So it will install that what are all the packages needed, that all package will install and it will be run. Now the server has been started, you can see. Now that's all 20 totally total packages 110 packages, right? So within a 1 minute has been installed. But when you see that 1324 packages for running, for this also we can able to run the React application. For the reason, what is the reason means, um, for that React there are some other packages available. So that package we do not want to use in our project, but that also installing. So what are all the package we want, that package we can install. Now what are all the package in the Vite project, there is no package, only for running package will be available. any other for route or anything react package we want to install, then we need to install and use it, then the folder storage structure will be less, right? Okay, now I hope now you understand that how to install React.js project. There are three ways I already told. One is that using Vite, and second one as a yeah, np using that React command, and third one is you can go to that GitHub repository and download the folder. Like that also we can able to do. Okay. Okay. I hope you understand, right? Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt or anything, any suggestion in that comment section, you can mention it. Feedback also it is welcoming only. Then only we can able to do a better video. Okay, bye.